In today's fast-paced tech-driven world, one question looms large for programmers and tech enthusiasts alike. Is AI going to replace programmers? This question sparks debate among industry leaders, tech enthusiasts, and even casual observers. In this video, we'll explore this question through the insights and opinions of some of the most influential tech leaders like Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, Elon Musk, Jack Ma, and Sundar Pichai. So, let's dive in. Let's start by exploring the perspective of Jeff Bezos, the founder of e-commerce giant Amazon, and hear his thoughts on this important question. Bezos doesn't see AI as a threat but as a tool to enhance human capabilities. He believes AI opens doors to more efficient processes, better customer experiences, and innovative products. However, Bezos acknowledges the potential for job displacement due to automation. His message is clear: adapt and embrace AI or risk falling behind. For programmers, Bezos' vision highlights the importance of leveraging AI as a partner in innovation while constantly upgrading one's skills. Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates offers a reassuring perspective. He argues that AI will enhance productivity rather than eliminate jobs, including those of software engineers. In a podcast interview, Gates labeled fears of AI replacing programmers as alarmist. He emphasized that software engineers will remain crucial as technology advances, especially with the growing need to develop and refine AI systems themselves. Interestingly, Gates also touched on AI's potential to transform society, calling it a double-edged sword. While he sees no immediate threat to programming jobs in the next 20 years, Gates advises caution and optimism, highlighting the transformative power of AI for education, accessibility, and productivity. Elon Musk, a vocal advocate and critic of AI, paints a more cautionary picture. According to Musk, AI will disrupt many jobs, including programming. He predicts that routine programming tasks will be automated, leaving humans to focus on high-level, creative work. Musk's views are complex. While he warns about AI's risks, he's also a pioneer in AI development through ventures like Tesla and Neuralink. For programmers, Musk's perspective is a reminder to prepare for a future where adaptability and creativity will be key. Jack Ma, founder of Alibaba Group, takes a more optimistic stance. He believes AI will not replace humans but instead empower them to focus on creativity and strategic thinking. According to Ma, humans have wisdom and imagination that machines cannot replicate. He envisions a future where AI complements human ingenuity, enabling us to achieve more than ever before. Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google, views AI as a transformative technology capable of revolutionizing fields like healthcare, education, and climate change. For Pichai, AI is a tool that, when developed responsibly, can address global challenges and create unprecedented opportunities. Pichai emphasizes the need for ethical and responsible AI development, ensuring it is fair, unbiased, and beneficial for humanity. He also acknowledges the risks, such as job displacement and potential misuse, but believes these can be mitigated with proper oversight. In Pichai's vision, humans and AI work together to achieve breakthroughs that would be impossible otherwise. For programmers, this means collaborating with AI to solve complex problems and drive innovation, rather than fearing replacement. So, will AI replace programmers? The consensus among tech leaders suggests a balanced view. AI will undoubtedly automate repetitive tasks, but human programmers will remain indispensable for creativity, innovation, and solving complex problems. For programmers, the key to staying relevant is simple: adapt, learn, and embrace the synergy between human creativity and machine efficiency. What do you think? Will AI replace programmers, or will it simply change how we work? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more thought-provoking content.